Hello, a very good morning to Wanur Shahidayu, our lecturer for cloud computing and Amazon Web Services. My name is Ebenezer Ivan, and my fellow group member's name is Muhammad Shazril. Today, we will be presenting the presentation of Case Study 1. Alright, our subtopic for this slide is Cloud Flex inc.aws migration report. You may be wondering what's INC. INC stands for Incorporated. So Cloudflare's I Incorporated is a rapidly growing global e-commerce platform, is migrating its infrastructure to AWS to enhance scalability, availability, performance, and security. This report presents a comprehensive AWS-based solution designed to meet these critical requirements, ensuring efficient resource management and secure access. Alright, in this slide, we'll be seeing about the performance and availability in AWS cloud environments. Here, we have provided with 4 points, elaborating each point as well. The first point is Elastic Compute Cloud, which is EC2. What this helps us with is it provides scalable virtual servers tailored to workload demands. EC2 instances can be scaled up or down as needed, allowing Cloudflare to adjust compute resources to match their business requirement. Secondly is Amazon CloudFront, or we could say as CDN. This reduces latency by kicking content closer to users, improving the user's experience for Cloudflare's global customer base. CloudFront distributes static content globally, ensuring fast delivery even for users in distant regions. Thirdly is the Amazon CloudWatch. This monitors system metrics and triggers alerts. CloudWatch provides comprehensive monitoring and analytics, giving Cloudflare's real-time insights into their cloud infrastructure and enabling them to proactively identify and resolve potential issues. And the final point is AWS auto-scaling. This is the dynamically adjusts compute resources based on demand. Auto-scaling automatically scales EC2 instances up or down. All right. Here, the topic is ensuring availability and scalability in cloud computing. So this slide, we have provided you with 4 points. The first point is load balancing. ELB ensures optimal traffic distribution across instances, ensuring the availability and performance of Cloudflare's applications even during peak traffic periods. Secondly, multi-region deployments. Redundancy is achieved by hosting applications across AWS regions, ensuring continued operation even in the event of a regional outage or disaster. Thirdly, auto-scaling automatically scales instances based on real-time demand, guaranteeing Cloudflare has the necessary resources to handle fluct- fluctuating workloads without compromising performance. And the final point is Elastic Services, which is EKS, supports scalable containers and serverless workloads, providing Cloudflare with the flexibility to deploy and manage applications in a high scalable and cost effective way. Alright, here I'll be explaining about cloud computing characteristics, deployment models, and virtualization in AWS. We have provided you with 4 important points. First one is on-demand self. Users can provision resources anytime, giving Cloudflare the flexibility to quickly deploy and manage their cloud infrastructure. Secondly is broad network. This is accessible from anywhere with internet connectivity, allowing Cloudflare to manage and access their cloud resource remotely and securely. Thirdly is scalability. This resources scales up down automatically, enabling Cloudflare to adapt their cloud infrastructure. And finally, measured services. About this, pay per use model optimized, cost efficient. Alright, here I'll be explaining to you about the deployment models that are available here. There are few which are public cloud. Public cloud is open to multiple customers. Secondly will be private cloud, isolated environment within AWS, and finally hybrid cloud, combination of on-premises and cloud resources. So this will be the deployment models. And as well, there are also few types of virtualization. There are three types of virtualization in this slide that we have provided you with. The first one is computer virtualization. AWS EC2 provides virtualized compute instances. Secondly is storage virtualization. Amazon S3 object storage and Amazon EBS, which is the block storage. And finally, network. AWS VPC allows custom network configurations. Alright, in this slide, we'll be explaining about AWS infrastructure designed for CloudFlex INC. First point is VPC, which is Virtual Private Cloud. This provides an isolated network environment ensuring the security and privacy of CloudFlex's data and application within a dedicated isolated network. Secondly will be multi-AZ EC2 instance. This ensures redundancy and load balancing, guaranteeing high availability of CloudFlex application even if one availability zone experiences an outage. Thirdly is elastic load balancer, which is ELB. This distributes incoming traffic efficiently, preventing overload and ensuring optimal performance of CloudFlex's applications even during peak traffic periods. And finally will be auto-scaling groups dynamically adjusts EC2 instances based on demand, ensuring CloudFlex has the appropriate number of instances to handle fluctuating workloads without compromising the performance. And finally, AWS infrastructure designed for CloudFlex INC. Here, there are also four available points that we have provided you with. The first one is Amazon RDS, which is Relational Database Service. This multi-AZ deployment ensures database availability, providing CloudFlex with reliable and consistent access to the critical data. Secondly is Amazon S3. This secures storage for static and dynamic content, allowing the CloudFlex to store and manage your data. Thirdly is Amazon CloudFront. This provides low latency content delivery, enhancing the user's experience for CloudFlex global customers. And finally is Route 53. Handles domain name resolution and failover, ensuring the CloudFlex's websites and applications are accessible to users even in the event of an outage or failure. For the upcoming slide, my friend Shazrel will be taking over.
Next, I will show how to configure an IAM user to manage access to AWS resources. Firstly, go to the IAM console and select user, then add user. Next is step 2. Set the username and select permission. For this, we give the username is admin01. Then for the permission, for this user admin01 permission, given administrator access. Then step 3, enable multi-factor authentication. For this step, enable multi-factor authentication is for exchange security after the user is created. So the step is go to the user and select the newly created user, click on the security credential tab, then click assign MFA device under multi-factor authentication MFA. Stay on the step 3, which is enable multi-factor authentication. After that, go to MFA device name, then give the name device underscore admin. Then using the authenticator app like Google Authenticator and click next. Still on the step 3, enable multi-factor authentication. Then scan the QR code by using Google Authenticator. Then enter the MFA code given and then add MFA. Next is step 4, review and create. Review the configuration and click create user. Next is step 5, share. Share the access key, ID and secret access key with the user. These credentials are essential for the user to access and manage their AWS resources. Then, for the conclusion, by implementing AWS service and best practice, Cloudflare Incorporate will achieve high performance, scalability, availability, and security. The purpose of architecture ensure efficient resource management, seamless application scaling, and robust data protection, aligning with Cloudflare business growth objective. As Cloudflare's needs evolve, AWS provides the flexibility and scalability to adapt and support its continued success. That's all from me. Thank you.